Hello everyone, in this video I would like to introduce you to a useful resource for faculty now available in Canvas. This resource can provide you with quick access to various processes, tools, teacher communities, and helpful tips that you may need throughout the semester. This Canvas site has been available for a few years, but we have recently updated it to include some of our latest resources, such as the Zoom to Teams transition webpage. When you join the course, you will have direct access to these resources through your Canvas dashboard. Apart from the commonly requested resources, we have several sections that cover training, events, and programming, Canvas tips and time savers, Canvas basics, and resources that you can share with your students. We will frequently update this site to ensure that the resources provided are current and relevant, so be sure to check back periodically. To join the course, visit the link shown or scan the QR code to self-enroll. Once you're enrolled, you can drag and drop the course card anywhere on the homepage you'd like for easy access. Let us know if you have any questions, and we hope to see you there.